we're currently on the bullet train from Shanghai to Beijing, second class. We leave at 1. It's currently 1:15. So how do you ride this thing? You buy the ticket from Beijing, from Shanghai Hongqiao railway station. That's the last stop, westernmost part of line 10, purple. So this is the train number. That's the date of departure. That's the time. So 1. That's the car number 7. That's the seat number 6A. So 7. So there, number 7 and seat 6A. So it's a window seat. And you have overhead compartments like that where you can place your bag. You can recline the seats. The seats look like this. So 3, 2. Just like in the plane, you have this. Windows. Cabin crew. And you also have this one, where you can plug your laptop or mobile phone. But you need to have. Yeah, I think you could plug it here. Yeah, power socket. So it's a 5-hour, 30-minute trip, and we'll be arriving at Beijing South 6:30. So that's how second class cabin looks like. I don't know how first class looks like. Maybe we could see it later. I don't know. There's a TV. So there. That's the platform. We're already leaving. As you can see, the train is in certain capacities. We have a lot of free seats. 1 whole row for me.
Dear passengers, we are arriving Wuxi East Station. Passengers get off at Wuxi East Station. Please get ready. We are arriving Wuxi East Station.
So there are intermediate stops, but I think they're just for 5 minutes each. So they just announced that we'll be stopping at
Dear passengers, we are arriving Wuxi East Station. Passengers get off at Wuxi East Station. Please get ready. Please take all your belongings and watch your steps while getting off the train. Wuxi East Station is arrived.
But of course we're slowing down because it's stopping. So we've been to 2 stops already, and the cars are filling out. This is the food they sell. Cabin crew. It sells this food, 35. Quite pricey. I don't know if there is a restaurant car. I'll check out later. Right now I have to eat. I haven't had lunch yet.
Nanjing South Station. Passengers at Nanjing South Station. Please take all your belongings and watch your steps while getting off the train. Nanjing South Station is Dear passenger, we are arriving Shizhou East Station. Passengers at Shizhou East Station. Please get ready. Please take all your belongings and watch your East Station. Passengers get off at Beijing South Station. Please get ready. Please take all your belongings and watch your steps while getting off the train. The terminal station.